Good morning children. 12th Commerce Chapter 2 Final Account Question number 18. Today we are going to work out question number 18, page number 87. This question is important because here in trading account we have many expenses which are related to the purchase expense and to the factory expense. When children, factory and office is given separate expense, they have given in the bracket factory. At that time, all the factory expense we are going to write in trading account. And office expense are administrative expense. Those expense are to be recorded in profit and loss account. So in this question, the question is very easy, but only here they have given office and factory. Factory is the manufacturing place for manufacturing goods for production. So when in question, factory and office they have given separately. Office expense we have to write in profit and loss account, and factory expenses we have to write in the trading account. One more thing I want to tell you, that plant and machinery are used for production of goods. Machinery is used for production of goods. So children, depreciation on machine, depreciation on plant and machine should be written in this question in trading account. Otherwise, in normal question, we write in profit and loss account. Machinery depreciation we write in profit and loss account. But this question is little special one because in this they have given in the bracket factory office, factory office. It shows that this company or this firm is going to maintain expenses relating to purchase and production in the trading account. And the other expenses for business they are going to show in the profit and loss account. Okay, so with this we start the question. Question number 18. Please see the first adjustment. There was stock of 85,500. Very simple. Closing stock. Closing stock. First one entry. Now you are in 12th and we are almost at the end of the chapter. Closing stock, trading account credit side, and the other one is on the asset side. I was not able to draw your balance sheet. We will draw later on. Okay. So where you will write on the asset side. 15% on plant and machinery and 7.5 on furniture and fittings. Now children, provide 15% depreciation on plant and machinery. Now if you see the question, they have given plant and machinery 33,300 and additional plant and machinery 24,000, and which was purchased on 1/7/2016. So 7 means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 9 months depreciation you have to find out on 24,000, and 33,300 we are going to find out for whole year. This you can tick mark children. Okay, because sales on plant and machinery be here. So this entry we will tick mark because it needs revision during exam. So plant and machinery 33,300 plus purchase, yeah, additional in the balance sheet asset side 24,000. Okay, and if you see, that is about the plant and machinery, and then furniture and fixtures direct on the asset side, and 7.5 upon 100 or 1000 you can remove the decimal and find out the depreciation, and depreciation amount we will write here. Now plant and machinery, as I told you, we are going to record in trading account. So depreciation I have put a star, I will put a red star here, or I will underline with red. Plant and machinery depreciation we are going to write in the trading account here, because here office and factory is given separate. So Otherwise, always we write in the profit and loss debit side. Okay, and furniture and fixtures we will write here, because furniture we are mostly using for the office. So furniture depreciation 7.5 upon 100. If you write upon 1000, you will remove the decimal. So 75 upon 1000. Okay, that you know. So asset side, I'll write afterwards. Asset side furniture minus, and depreciation of furniture will be in the profit and loss debit side, and depreciation for plant and machinery we will write on the trading account debit side. Okay, debtors is 64,940, and bad debts is also given, but bad debts, okay, the next one of bad debts reserve is 2000. So from debtors 64,940 minus 2000. Whatever you get, you will write on the asset side outside. And this 2000 entry again, it will be on profit and loss debit side. Two bad debts, trial balance is given 836 plus 2000 BDR, which is given directly in the adjustment. So total you will write in profit and loss debit side. So it is simple as we are doing. Question is very simple, only that you have to do separate. Advertisement expense, where you will write profit and loss debit side, advertisement expense. Okay, then what is the next? Outstanding expense. See, fifth adjustment. Outstanding expense, which productive wages 784, advertisement expense 312, very odd numbers they have given. 13,248 plus outstanding, you will get 13,560. Productive wages where we write trading account debit side. So productive wages is given 45,272 plus outstanding 784. Then office salary is given, trial balance is given 8,780 plus 400, whatever you get outside. Technical expense, technical people are working in the production, and so technical expenses are to be again added. I have put a star again to be recorded. Trading account debit side, technical expense 400 plus outstanding 720, and all these outstanding, the second effect will be on the liability side. So we will write the heading to outstanding expenses, and then make the list of all the outstanding expenses and write total one figure in the outer column. That we will write when we will draw our balance sheet. Okay. So with this we complete all the adjustments. Adjustments are very simple, children. Closing stock you know where to enter. Depreciation also you know. BDR 2000 direct given. 6% interest payable to partners capital. 6% interest payable to partners capital. So it will be in profit and loss appropriation account debit side. 2 interest on capital. Before this I told you, in the partners capital account we will write by balance brought down 80,000 and 40,000 on the credit side, and afterwards on this we will give 6% interest, that is 48 and 2,400, total is 7,200. The second effect of this entry, which is recorded in profit and loss appropriation account debit side, will be on the credit side of partners capital account. You know it, we have to cross. So first you will bring down the balance, and then you will write the interest on capital entry. Okay, so this was all about your adjustment. Now look children, drawings. So drawings where we will enter in partners capital. Drawings we will enter on the debit side of partners capital, 7,000 and 3,000. Then plant and machinery we have done. I will show you the full working again. Furniture assets we have done. Debtors, okay. Advertisement expense we have done plus outstanding. Cash balance, asset side. Purchase, profit and trading account. On the debit side, to purchase 1,81,168. The figures are very odd. Productive wages again debit side plus outstanding we have done. electric expense factory. Electric expense factory is given. Factory means what? Again I will tell you. Electric expense factory. Factory all we will write in the trading account. Because factory is the place where you are going to produce goods, where you are going to manufacture goods. So in old books we had manufacturing account also. But now you have to write in the trading account. Electric expense factory, rent and tax factory. When the word factory is given, you have to write in the trading account debit side because they are expense. And office expense we will write in profit and loss debit side. Okay, the next one देखो factory, rent and tax office. Office where you will write profit and loss debit side, office expense because they are office expense. What is their office expense? Electric expense is 4,296. Then office is written wrong. No, rent and taxes office is 872. Yes, correct. Then factory is 9,384. Rent and taxes. Technical expense or 400. On trading debit side technical expense outstanding भी है. So technical expense 4,000 plus 320 you will get 720. Opening stock, to opening stock 33,969. Then factory expense again 1,000. Factory expense 1,780. Office salary 8,780 plus outstanding 400. So you have discount allowed here. Debit. Carriage inward, again it is this expense for purchase expense. Carriage inward 1,700. Bad debts we have recorded. Bad debts 836 from trial balance and this is BDR adjustment. Office expense 207. Office expense 2,072. So with this we complete the debit side. Very simple it is. Nothing much to explain here because only you have to write the expenses. If it is factory we have to write on the trading debit side. Office तो office मतलब profit and loss account. Then capital we have brought down. Creditors balance sheet liability side. Sales of machine tick mark करेंगे. I'll tell you. Sales of machine I'll tell you. Then sales I have written. By sales 2,68,000. 5% loan from Gyani on 110. 110 means 10, 11, 12, 1 to 6 months interest you have to give. So loan again will be on the liability and 5% interest on loan will be 1,000. 1,000 का half है 500 and 500 का half है 250. Okay, orally also you can do. Gyani's loan interest 2,050 and no interest is given children. तो ये है outstanding में जाएगा. ये कौन सा है? पे किया है? No, it will be on the outstanding. Okay, outstanding, not paid. So again, liability side 10,000 plus outstanding interest 250. You will write outside on the liability side. Commission it is given on the credit side. So profit and loss account credit side. Commission. Now sale of plant and machinery. This you will tick mark. Now children, when this type of transactions are given, I will draw the balance sheet again. I will explain you this. But here you can see children on 1/4/16 means it is starting of the year. And what was the book value of the machine which was sold children? Book value. Inside they have given only book value. And outside what is given? It is selling price. It was selling price. Okay. So children, 6,900 you have sold for 4,800. So whether it was a profit or loss, it is a loss. 6,900 minus 4,800. So you have sold this machine at loss. And what was the loss? It is 2,100. So 2100, you will write profit and loss account, debit side, loss. You will write loss 2100. And how to do the depreciation work, that we will do when we are drawing this balance sheet. So this is all about the question. The question was very easy, not much to explain here. To opening stock, you know. Then to purchase, you know, purchase expense carried inward. To production expense, many are given, so I have put under the heading. What was the production expense? Productive wages plus outstanding, you will write. Electric expense, rent and taxes factory, technical expense plus outstanding, factory expense, depreciation on plant and machinery, and here only sales and closing stock. If you do this total and minus all this, you will get gross profit 68,040. This 68,040 you are going to carry forward on the credit side of profit and loss account by gross profit 68,040, and commission only two are given on the credit side. So you will do the total, you will get 68,840. And when you subtract all the expenses, which were the expenses? Rent and taxes, office, to salary plus outstanding, office expense, advertisement expense plus outstanding, to discount which is given on the debit side. Then Gani's loan, this I have tick mark because it is a hidden adjustment in the bracket, and when percentage is given, it is hidden adjustment. It will not be given down, it will be given in the trial balance itself in the bracket. So Gani's loan 250. This interest is 5% for 6 months because the date is given. Then bad debts plus bad debts reserve. Then depreciation on furniture and fixtures 192. Loss on sale of machine, it is 2,100. This also you need revision during exam time. So I will put here also star. Okay, put down star here. So the net profit is 32,978, which you will transfer again on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account by net profit 32,978. So total again no entries are here, only interest on capital one entry is there. So 32,980 total, and interest on capital minus 7,200, then you will get 25,778, जो है 2 divisible profit 3:2 में break करना है. 25,778 you have to break into 2, and the ratio is 3:2. So son will get profit 15,467, Mahant will get 10,311, and this entry which are on the appropriation debit side, you will transfer to the partner's capital account on the credit side. This you know. So first balance brought down, then interest on capital, then divisible profit. Now you will do the total and minus drawings 7,000 and 3,000. Full format which we are drawing in our balance sheet, same format. But here we are drawing the account, and in the balance sheet we have to write only जो difference आएगा by balance, two balance carried forward. Balance sheet capital I have written 93,267, 49,711. This is the question mark. So out of this minus this, out of this minus this, you will get this, and this will be written as a capital in the balance sheet. Okay, so children, this is about question number 18, which you have to just go through. So now I will draw the balance sheet. Yes children, balance sheet, question 18, continue. Capital, we have written whatever balance we have carried forward in the partner's capital account. Gyani's loan 10,000 plus outstanding interest 250. It is not given, but it is hidden adjustment. It is given in percentage and column में date. So you have to find out, and it has two effects. One profit and loss debit side we have written, and one you will add in the loan. So Gyani's loan is 10,250. Creditors 48,000. Outstanding expense. There are many outstanding expense. So I will put the heading this way. Outstanding expenses. And then outstanding expenses, then I will write. Okay, by productive wages, advertisement expense, office salary, technical expense. Then I will do the total of all this and write one figure outside. 1,816. I told you when we have similar expenses, we will write in inner column and we will write only one figure outside. Why? Because it will be easy for us to do the total. So see, you can see only 4 figures we have. So instead of writing all this single outside, these all are outstanding expenses, which are our liability, which are the expenses to be paid, payable. So we can put all in the one bracket and write in the inner column. Okay. Now children, plant and machinery, which I want to explain. The others are very simple. Furniture and fixtures, the furniture is given. Depreciation is 192, 1 year and 1 in P&L debit side. So you will get outside. Data is also simple, or BDR amount is directly given. Only one thing is given. So minus and write outside, and in P&L debit side, bad debts plus bad debts reserve we have written. Cash balance and closing stock. Okay, here the important point is that plant and machinery. I have worked out here children. Plant and machinery we had 33,300 plus purchase, that is additional. You can write here additional, plant and machinery, additional purchase, 24,000, because we have more in need of machines, so we will purchase. But children, again they have given in bracket, we have purchased on 1/7/16. So you have to count the months for depreciation, that you know. Okay, here 33,300 full year depreciation. But here children, we have for 9 months. Okay, that I will explain you. Now children, here we have 33,000 plant and machinery old. This I can write old machine. Now if you see in your trial balance, the other side they have sold also. So you will not sell the machinery from the new purchase which you have purchased. Suppose it is given, you have to think on your own that when you want to sell something, you will sell the old one, not the new one. So your machine which is sold and which has the book value of 6,900, you will sell it from old machine. It is not told, but it is to be understood. New machine which we have purchased, this is new machine. This is new machine, this is old machine. Okay, so new machine which you have purchased, from that you will not sell it. So you are going to sell it from the old machine. So old machine was 33,300, from which we have sold 6,900, a small part of machine. So how much machine will be remaining in your books now for the current year? So 33,300 sold 6,900. So remaining will be 26,400. So children, 26,400, you have to find depreciation for whole year 15%. So you will get 3,960. And then for the new machine, you are going to find separate, that is 24,000, 15%, and for 9 months, 9 upon 12. So you will get rupees 2,700. Here in the balance sheet you will add everything. 33,300 plus new purchase, you will get 57,300 minus sold 6,900. So you will get this 50,400. But suppose you find out the 15% on 50,400, what you will get, you have to just check it. So your total depreciation is 3,960 plus 2,700. So both this total we will add it. So we will get the depreciation of 6,660. Okay. Now children, plant and machinery is sold. Book value was 6,900 and selling price was 4,800. So selling price is less than the book value. So it will be loss of 2,100 minus. So it will be loss here. And loss we will write on profit and loss debit side. So this was plant and machinery which we have worked out. Okay.